Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a 5 marks question from the CBSE sample paper 2025-26. Let's look at the question. A survey regarding heights in centimeter of 51 girls of class 10 of a school was conducted and the following data was obtained. The heights and the number of girls are given. Now find the median height of girls. If mode of the above distribution is 148.05, find the mean using empirical formula. Now look at the table that they have given you. They've given you the heights in less than 140, less than 145, less than 150, etc. Okay, so first we'll need to adjust these and find the actual class intervals and the actual frequencies from it, because they've given you the cumulative frequencies in this case. That is when you're given the number of students less than having a height less than 140, they're talking about the cumulative frequencies now. Okay, so let's draw the table again and then just add in two new columns, that is class interval and the frequencies, the actual frequency. Okay, so this is the column from which we would take the value of f, and this is the cumulative frequency column. And now because they've said less than 140, the first class would be 135 to 140. The next one would be 140 to 145, 145 to 150, 150 to 155, 155 to 160, and 160 to 165. Now, how do we find the frequencies? Now, the first frequency that you will write here is the same as this frequency. Okay, and then we would find the next frequency by subtracting 11 minus 4. So that gives me 7. The next frequency can be found out by subtracting 29 minus 11, which is 18. Now, 40 minus 29 gives me 11. 46 minus 40 gives me 6. And 51 minus 46 gives me 5. So now we have our table ready. Now the next step would be to find out the median class. Now how do we find the median class? We have to divide the last, the cumulative frequency, right? The last of the cumulative frequencies, which is 51 divided by 2. Okay, so 51 divided by 2 is 25.5. And 25.5 will come in this row. Okay, so that will be the row where the median class will be. Okay, so that is the median class is 145 to 150. Now, why did I choose this one? Because 29 till 29.5, this is the column. 29, this is the column, that row that we have to choose. And 25.5 is less than 29. Okay, so we'll choose this particular class. So now we have the median class ready. Now let's write out the formula to find the median. Now median can be found out using the formula. Median is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency times h. Now the value of L will be the lower limit of the median class, and we have found out the median class is this, right? And the lower limit of that class is 145. So the value of L is 145. N by 2 will be 51 by 2. Cumulative frequency will be the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. And what is the cumulative frequency there? It's 11. Okay, so then the value of cumulative frequency is 11. The value of f is the frequency of the median class, and in this case the frequency is 18. So it's f is 18 and h is the class size, which is 140 minus 135, which is 5. Okay, so let's substitute these values and find the median. So median will be equal to 145 plus n by 2, which is 51 by 2 minus cumulative frequency, which is 11, divided by 18 times 5. Okay, so that's equal to 145 plus 51 minus 22 divided by 2 into 18 times 5. So that's 145 plus 29 by 36 times 5. Which is 145 plus, now 29 times 5 by 36 gives me 4.027. Okay, so that's equal to 149.027, which is approximately 149.03. So that will be the median, 149.03 centimeters. Now they've asked you to find one more thing. They've asked you to find the mean using the empirical formula, and they've given you the mode as 148.05. The mode is given as 148.05, and then asking you to find the mean using the empirical formula. Now the empirical formula is given by 3 times median is equal to mode plus 2 times mean. Okay, so 3 times median means 3 times 149.03 is equal to mode is given as 148.05. So 148.05 plus 2 times mean. Okay, so 3 times 149.03 is 447.09. That's equal to 148.05 plus 2 times mean, from which we can find the mean as equal to 447.09 minus 148.05 divided by 2, which is equal to 299.04 divided by 2, or the value of mean is equal to 149.52 centimeters. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.